Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your lower body in the golf swing. Begin by setting your feet about shoulder width apart, ensuring a stable base. Keep a slight flex in your knees, avoiding any stiffness. At address, distribute your weight evenly, roughly 50-50, between your lead and trail foot. This balanced setup is crucial for generating power and maintaining control throughout your swing, allowing for a smooth and efficient rotation. As you begin your backswing, focus on a subtle hip turn rather than just lifting your arms. Allow your lead knee to naturally move inward, pointing towards your trail leg. This movement helps to coil your lower body. Feel the weight shifting into your trail heel, creating a powerful load. This coiling action in your hips and glutes is essential for building potential energy, setting the stage for a dynamic downswing and maximizing clubhead speed. The downswing begins with a powerful lateral shift of your hips towards the target. This is often referred to as the bump. Simultaneously, push off your trail foot, actively transferring your weight to your lead side. As your weight shifts, aggressively rotate your hips open through impact. This sequence, from the lateral bump to the rotational drive, is key to unleashing the stored energy from your backswing, generating significant clubhead speed and consistent ball striking. After impact, continue your hip rotation until your belt buckle points directly at the target. Most of your weight, approximately 90%, should now be firmly on your lead foot. Allow your trail heel to lift naturally off the ground, coming up onto your toes. This full rotation and weight transfer ensures you finish in a balanced, athletic position, facing your target. A complete follow-through is vital for maximizing power and maintaining control, preventing any deceleration through the ball.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.